Hello everyone, I'm Dheeraj Chauhan.
I'm Sahil Yadav.
And I'm Steve Fernandez.
We are Cerritus Coders team and we are here to ensure that you are all ready to set up for MLH INIT and join us as a guild. So this is gonna be a small short video. We are gonna explain how you can register for MLH INIT and what exactly is the event about and the community and how you can join us as a guild. So we will just start right away. Um, So this will be the agenda. What is MLH? What is MLH? What is MLH in it? What are the guilds? How to register for it? And how you can reach out to us if you have any problems related to any of the event. Now, getting started about all the info. Go ahead. Stay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's start with what is MLH? MLH is Major League Hacking. It's a global hack community. It's a community, and it's the mission to empower hackers. What is MLH Guild? Guilds are like small teams. Guilds are simple. They are smaller community in MLH. Like MLH is a big community, and there are communities inside that big community. Those are guilds. What is MLH INIT? INIT is a celebration for the start of 2023 hackathon season. So it's basically a celebration, or you can say a hackathon for beginners. You can expect to complete challenges, hear about big community announcements, chat at hacker hangouts, enjoy fun live sessions, build technical projects, etc.
The amazing part about events like MLH in it and the other global hack week events is anyone can join and just compete in small challenges around these smaller guilds where you can just connect with new people and just hang out with other folks to just get started about anything. Now that we know the info about what is MLH and what are this event and guilds, now let's get started about how you can register for it. So I'll just screen share and Steve will let you know how you can get started with that.
So the first thing you do to register, you go to https dot slash slash dot discordmlh.io, and then you sign in with your Discord account there.
So about the guild membership, as Siv is saying, as we earlier said, how you can join us as a guild. So here, we are community Cerritus coders, and what we actually are? We are a student open source run community where we encourage our community folks to get started with open source development and basically encouraging them to get started in learning in public. So we all also have been approved as a guild. So I will just search our guild name as I earlier said, Cerritus Coders. And if you want to join us, you can just search Cerritus Coders and just click here. And once you're done with adding all your informations, just click on submit button, and your profile will be ready to get started. And once it's done, just click on launch Discord and we'll launch the Discord. And as you can see, invite MLH. So this will take us to joining MLH. And that's, I guess, more than enough. Now that we are part of MLH community, there is still one small thing remaining to check in or to get the role basically to get all the updates regarding the MLH unit from the MLH itself. So I will just so I'm and the get started now. I will just scroll down and go to the join GHW in it. So I will click here and I will, as it can say, react to this message to receive the role and again access to registration channels. So I'll just click this here. Now, once this is done, we see a lot of channels there. And I can also see Cerritus coders because I was part of this. So I can just see Cerritus coders and not other guilds. And there's still one part remaining, which is actually registering for the GHW in it. So let's start click on this link and get started for that also. Log in and register. I have already been registered, but let's see if it still asks me for the registering. So I will just sign in now for now. And this is my password. I hope it's not, I mean, it's not pretty much linked. So yeah. And once that's done, as you can see, you are already registered. So once you are registered, there are still some important small parts which you will not be able to do it right now. But once it starts, there will be some check-in stuff, and you have to check in every time so that MLH knows that you were attending that particular session or you were attending the whole day itself. So as you can see, these are some small stuff if you want to still do it. This is a week long check-in. So let's just click on week long and day one right now, and let's see what happens. And let's see if we are even able to do anything. It just shows registered, and let's see if okay. I click on register here, and as you can see, I'm still registered. I'm not able to check in. So even if you register and if you don't check in, MLH will not be able to do that. You were able to attend it. So if you wanna let them know and get those swags or just complete those challenges, so that is the way to MLH to know once you check in. and you will be able to check in once the event itself gets started. So every day you'll be able to check in a particular day or other events whenever they are starting. So I'll just stop my screen sharing and get back to the PPT again. Okay, now talking about the reaching out us to part. So you can obviously reach out to us even if you are part of us as a guild, or even if you are not a part of our as a guild, you can still join our community or just ask us if you need any help. You can see our handles directly there, and if you want to reach out to us as a community, we have our Cerritus coders handles also, and this is the Discord invite link. This all links will be directly in our in the description of the video itself, and on our Twitter info we have already talked about everything which is already described in the video. So I hope everything was clear, and if you still have any questions regarding to MLH in it, you can comment down, and even if you can even ask in our community itself. So I hope the video was pretty descriptive to you all, and yeah, we are really excited about the MLH in it, and we'll see you there.